After the crypto market crashed in 2022, investors finally got a glimmer of hope in 2023. AMP was one of the coins that saw a huge recovery. However, the recovery couldn't last, and the price of the AMP token started to drop again. No, AMP is a good cryptocurrency if you put money and time into it for as long as possible. Based on what we know about how much AMPs will cost in 2023, the lowest and largest prices for the coin may be about 0.00273 and 0.00664 each. AMP Value Expectation 2025. What makes AMP different in our AMP crypto price prediction? Over the course of the year, the price of the coin will go up by about 40%, from 0.00778 to 0.0112. AMP Cost X Expectation 2030. By 2030, the coin's high price on the crypto market is likely to be 0.0352, and its low price is likely to be 0.0245, according to our AMP cost prediction. What does AMP crypto mean? The arrival of the digital coin AMP in 2020 is a big deal for the whole world. This isn't because there aren't many late players during the pandemic, but because few people have chosen to work for a different company. This puts them in a different class when it comes to starting a business. The goal of this token is to make exchanges and inburns more safe and timely based on the Ethereum blockchain and the ERC20 token standard. What's great about AMP is that customers can trade in either fiat currency or another form of digital money. The local, symbolic AMP of the Fleexa business has made instant payment approvals possible by stopping the process of exchanges. It is up to the client's honor that they can stake and guarantee any type of high-value trade, whether it's a car or a house. Payments in advance, government-issued money, trade credit, real estate deals, and more. A loyal group of specialists and financial backers have an empty organization's local symbol that was made by Flexo Organization and Consensus. This idea turned into a progressive ERC20 coin. In the same way, making waves on the AMP crypto trade. One of the best things about AMP is that it can change execution rates as the organization grows. This has led to an amazing growth in the number of diggers, which is backed by a strong public blockchain stage with a high data transfer capacity. The problem that AMP has solved is openness issues and catching deceptive exchanges by peers, where an approved block can follow the first block. AMP is an Ethereum-based token that acts as a guarantee for payments made using the Flexo organization and similar innovations based on verifiable data. The coin's excursion started at 0.0095, and it stayed at this price until February 2021, when it took a surprise spike and went over 0.039. From that point on, the coin traded fairly well until June 16, when it hit an all-time high of 0.1211. After that, the coin showed a sharp decline. In 2025, the price of AMP is likely to be at least 0.008. Due to how investors feel about new things and how the AMP is going in general, the price of AMP could go as high as 0.010 and average 0.008 between now and 2025. Using the calculated prices of coins, experts think that AMP has a good chance of hitting $0.0113 in 2025 if the current trend keeps going. This makes it a good investment. There is no way to know for sure how much any of the present crypto coins are worth. Taking into account the details that can be checked and the digital money markets, AMP is ready to insist on strong areas for its as a major interest among its clients, partners, and sellers in the local area. The vertical trend has been expected to be based on the benefits of AMP business safety and consistent quality. AMP is a computerized guarantee symbol that shows clear confirmations of collateralization for a steam move. This has another effect on the prices for this guarantee. Token should be looked at in light of how much money is coming in from financial foundations and security groups. Token investors who plan to keep their money in the AMP for a long time. According to our AMP crypto prediction, the price will hit a high of 0.00664 in 2023. This makes it a good investment venture. At the same time, the base price for 2023 is predicted to be 0.00273 and the average price to be 0.00469 AMP crypto value forecast 2024. In 2024, our AMP coin price prediction suggests that the average price may hit 0.00731 based on the AMP price analysis. The highest price could be 0.00863, and the lowest price could be 0.00600. AMP crypto value prediction 2025. The lowest and highest prices for the AMP coin are expected to be around 0.00600 and 0.00863. On the other hand, the normal price may be $0.00949, which is a rate change of about 261%. In 2026, the average price of a coin could be 0.01210, and the lowest price could be 0.00992. According to our price forecasts, the volatility of the crypto price in 2026 should be very low, at 0.0143. Build up excitement. Taking a look at 2027 expert research suggests that the most extreme value could be around 0.0179, and the previous exhibition says that the base and normal values could be 0.0125 and 0.01521, respectively. Cryptocurrency price gauges for 2020 show that the highest price expected for the year is 0.0217, with a starting value of 0.0151. On average, brokers can expect to pay 0.01843 compared to the current rate. The rate change for the year is estimated to be 500%. Starting in 2029, AMP should have a lot of promise, and the most low-cost estimate is somewhere around the 0.0192 mark. According to our prediction, the price of the symbol will reach a high of 0.0276 by the end of 2029, with a normal price of 0.02342. 2030. By 2030, the AMP token's highest price will be 0.0352 and its lowest price will be 0.0245 all year long. The AMP crypto will trade at an average of 0.02986. Based on the RM number, is it smart to invest in AMP crypto in 2030? In fact, donating AMP is a good idea if it's done at the right time. Bitcoin stays at $30,000, Ethereum is above $1,900, and XRP goes up by 6%. Bitcoin nursed its wounds from the weekend and made small gains to stay above the $30,000 mark. Ethereum also went up a little bit but stayed below the $1,950